So receptors can be classified based on the stimulus location, whether the stimulus is outside or stimulus is inside. If the stimulus is outside, the receptors will be called as exteroceptors, and if the stimulus is within the body and the receptors are trying to sense them, then those receptors will be classified as interoceptors. However, if it is based on the type of stimuli, like see, thermoreceptor can be internal or external. Chemoreceptor can be internal or external. Like chemoreceptor, carotid body, right? But it's an interoceptor. Carotid body is not exteroceptor, but carotid body is chemoreceptor, correct? You understood this? What are the examples of chemoreceptor for external that you saw? So externally, any chemical, if you want to recept, you can either try taste or smell, correct? So chemoreceptors can be taste buds or olfactory receptors, or it could even be carotid body. However, these two are external and this one is internal. So these kind of overlap all of this. So don't get overwhelmed. Just learn some names for now. Let us look at based on the stimulus type in this video. Fine. So in this video, we have to look at the type of stimulus. Based on that, we will have the receptors: mechanoreceptors, proprioceptors, thermoreceptors, nociceptors, chemoreceptors. Okay. So receptors based on stimulus type. Mechanoreceptor. What is mechanoreceptor? See, these are for any receptor like vibration, touch, pressure, right? So again, you can give examples here. For touch, what was it? Meissner, corpuscle, Merkel disc. We already saw these two for touch. For pressure, Pacinian corpuscle we saw. What about proprioceptors? Muscle spindle. You'll never forget that, right? Proprioceptor, muscle spindle. Actually, there are so many. There are so many proprioceptors, like muscle spindle you have. Then you saw free nerve ending. Then you saw crista ampullaris, macula, right? Thermoreceptor means they can sense temperature. We saw examples of these also already. Krause end bulb for cold and Ruffini end organ for hot. Remember? The nociceptors are for pain, correct? The stimulus here is pain. Here the stimulus was temperature. Here the stimulus is position or stretch, and here it is mechanoreceptor, touch, pressure, vibration. So nociceptor means pain. So nociceptors are for pain, pain receptors. So these examples are free nerve ending, correct? Free nerve endings. Free nerve ending you have also seen here. Proprioceptor. So these kind of overlap, don't bother much. But remember, nociceptor is for pain. Let me highlight this. At least this you will take back from this video. Nociceptor for pain. Chemoreceptors, if I give you a chemical, how will you find out it's a chemical? Either by taste or by smell, correct? So those are the chemoreceptors. One more type of stimulus is there, that is light reception, right? Photoreception. And the receptor names, rods and cones. Very easy. So from this video, just take back a few things. Nociceptors are for pain. Ruffini end organ, cross end bulb, thermoreceptor. Can you remember this much? Thermoreceptors are for cold, it is cross end bulb. For hot, it is Ruffini end organ. Nociceptors are for pain. Okay? Good. Somehow I think in this list, hearing hasn't been covered, right? It's a telereceptor, right? Hearing and vision. So let me just put as hearing or sound receptors, right? And there you can put organ of Corti as the receptor. For taste, it is taste buds. For smell, it is olfactory receptors. Okay. So once again, let us look at the types of stimuli. You can have mechanical stimuli, you can have position stimuli, thermal stimuli, pain stimuli. So pain stimuli. Then you can have chemical stimuli, light stimuli, and sound stimuli.